Yes, I choose Canaan because of the high quality standards they are following and because of the good machinery they are producing and because of the history of Canaan in the global markets. Yes, I know Canaan because it's a well-known company who are really qualified and experienced in manufacturing pharmaceutical machineries. Yes, what I realized during my visit, Canaan is using high technology during the manufacturing. They are following the international standards while manufacturing the machinery. This motivates me to cooperate with Canaan. Yes, I'm planning to add more production lines with Canaan for the future expansions of our projects. Because of the team, because of the company, I am satisfied and happy to build a long-term partnership with Canaan and to work together in such a long-term business.